I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Sony Ch520 headphones to an iPhone. First, ensure your Sony WH-CH520 headphones are fully charged for a smooth setup. Next, open your iPhone Settings app and tap on Bluetooth to turn it on. Then, put your headphones into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a voice prompt or see a flashing blue light. Once your headphones are in pairing mode, open your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. You should see WH-CH520 appear under Other Devices. Tap on this name to begin the pairing. Your iPhone will then connect to the headphones. If a pop-up appears asking to pair, simply confirm it. This step usually takes only a few seconds to complete. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, there are simple fixes. First, try turning both your Sony headphones and your iPhone completely off, then back on again. Sometimes a quick restart resolves minor glitches. If that doesn't work, go to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings, forget the WH-CH520 device, and repeat the pairing process from the beginning. Also, ensure no other devices are trying to connect. After the initial pairing, reconnecting your Sony headphones is effortless. Simply power on your headphones, and they will automatically connect to your iPhone, provided Bluetooth is active. You won't need to go through the pairing process again. These headphones offer an impressive battery life, providing up to 50 hours of listening time on a single charge, ensuring your music lasts all day and beyond. Enjoy your audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.